Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the mathematics class. In this class, we will learn about the chapter squares and square roots. Today, I will discuss about how to find the square root of the perfect square numbers by using long division method. Here I have taken one example, that is 784. So to find the square root of the number 784 means we have to find a number whose square is the given number. Whose square is the number 784. So here we will follow the following steps to find the square root of the given number. The first step is we write the number, given number, as dividend. So here 784 is the number as the dividend. Then what we will do, we make pairs of the digits starting from the right. So we make pairs of the digits starting from the right and place a bar over every pair, and also place a bar on the remaining one digit, if any, on the extreme left. So here already one digit is left, so we place a bar over that digit also. Now each pair and the remaining one digit, if any, on the extreme left is called a period. So here 7 is called a first period and 84 is called the second period. So in the division here also we write the bar, and that means this 7 is the first period and this is the second period. Now what we will do, we will select the first period, that is 7, and we think of the largest number whose square is less than or equals to the first period. That means 7 is lying between which two square number? If I write 2 square, that means 4, and 3 square means 9. That means it is lying between 2 square and 3 square, or between 4 and 9. So we take the number 2 as the divisor and the quotient both. Because 2 square is less than 7, so we take the number 2 as the divisor and the quotient both. So here we can write the quotient as 2, or you can write here also. Any one of the place you can write the quotient. So we take 2 as the divisor and the quotient both. After that we just find the product of this divisor and the quotient. It is coming 2 2s are 4. Then we subtract the product from the first period. So 2 2s are 4 means here it is coming 2 2s are 4. So we subtract 4 from the first period. Now we will subtract here. After subtracting from the first period, we will get 3 as the remainder. After that we bring down the next period, that is 84. Just write to the remainder. So which number here, whatever number we are getting here, that is 384, is called the new dividend. This number is called taken as the new dividend. Now for the next divisor, or for the new divisor, we double the quotient first. That means this is the quotient. The double of the quotient is 4. So we take 4 as the leftmost digit of the new divisor. So here we will write 4 as the 2 2s are 4. So we write 4 as the, we take 4 as the leftmost digit of the new divisor. Now we have to think of a digit that is to be placed in the right side of the number 4, or right side of the new divisor, such that the product of the new divisor and this digit is less than or equals to the new dividend. And this digit which we placed here, which is also known as, which is also becomes the new digits of the quotient also. So here we see what is the number present in the unit place, that is 4. So which square number will give 4? 2 square will give 4, and if we write 8, then 8 multiplied by 8 will give 64. That means again the unit place will come 4. So in this case, if we write 2, the number with product with 2, it becomes very small. So if we take 8, then what results we are getting? Just see, if you find the product of 48 multiplied by 8, then it is coming 64, 6, 32 plus 6 means 384. So here we are getting the product as 384. So if we take 8 as the digit in the, if we take 8 as the right digits of the new divisor, then the new digit in the question becomes also 8. And their product is coming 384, which is equals to the new dividend. Means that product should be less than or equals to the new dividend. So here the product is coming 384, which is equals to the new dividend. So here we will write 384. So why we are writing here 384? So we multiplied 48 by 8. Then whatever product we are getting, that product we will write, and then we subtract with the new dividend. So after subtracting, what we are getting? 0. As there is no other pair of digits is left, so we stop our calculations. As here we got the remainder as 0. We got the remainder as 0 means, that means the given number is a perfect square number. So as it is a natural number, so it is a perfect square. So after doing this division, there is no other pair is left, so we stop our calculations, and the question so obtained is the required square root, of the given number. So what is the quotient here? So quotient is equals to, quotients of the given number is what? That is coming here 28. This is our quotient. This 28 is the quotient of the quotient of this division. Now we write the square root of the given number, that is 784 is equals to 28, which is the square root of the given number. So in this way we can easily find the square root of the given perfect square by using long division method. So next we will discuss some more questions. Now let's see another example, that is the number taken here 7921. Now first we take this number as the dividend 7921, and then we make pairs of the digits starting from the right and place a bar over every pair of the digits. So here 21 over 21 there is one bar, over 79 there is another bar. So each of the bar, this is called the first period 79, and this 21 is called the second period. Now we select the first period, that is 79, and we have to think a largest number whose square is less than or equals to the first period, that is 79. So if we write 79, then this number is lying between which two square numbers? If I write 8 square, that means 8 square, and if I write 9 square, what is the 8 square? 64. And what is the 9 square? It is coming 81. So 71 is lying between 64 and 81. So that means 79 is lying between 8 square and 9 square. So we take 8 as the divisor and the quotient both. So here we take 8 as the divisor and the quotient both. After that we will find the product of this divisor and the quotient. Here it is coming 8 8s are 64. Then we subtract the product from the first period, that is 7 9. So after subtracting, what we are getting here 5, then it will come 1, and then we bring so here we get the remainder as 15. Then we bring down the next pair, that is 2 1. So we get the number 1521 as the new dividend. So this number as the new dividend. Now for the new divisor or for the next divisor, we just double the quotient. So that is coming here 16, 8 2s are 16. So we write here 16 as the leftmost digits of the new divisor. Then we think of a digit, then we have to think of a digits that is to be placed in the right side of the number 16 or right side of the right digit of the new divisor, which is also becomes the new digit of the quotient, such that the product of the new divisor and this digit is less than or equals to the new dividend. So if what number we will take, that we have to first think, because here the unit place is 1. If we put here 1, 1 ones are 1, but this number is very small. Now we have to think of a number whose square unit digit is 1. So if we put here, and we know 9 9s are 81, so if we take 169 as the new digit as the 9, then multiplied by 9, it is giving 81, means 8, 9 6 are your 54, 54 plus 8 means 62, so 2 will come, then 6, then 9 ones are 9 plus 6, it will give 15. So 1521 here we are getting. 169 multiplied by 9, we are getting here 1521. So which is equals to the new dividend. So we subtract. So here we take the right digit as 9. So here we take the right digit of the new divisor as 9, and the new digit of the quotient is also 9. So new divisor becomes 169 and the quotient becomes 89. Now we subtract the product from the new dividend, that is 1521. After subtracting, we are getting the result here 0. So when we are getting 0 and there is no other pair of digit is left, that means the given number is a perfect square, and we stop our calculations. The quotient so obtained is the required square root of the given number. So square root of the given number becomes 7921 is equals to what? 89. That is the quotient also. That is also the quotient. So the quotients what we are getting, that is the square root of the given square number. So square root of 7921 is 89. Look at another example, 54756. We have to find the square root of this number, and this number is taken as, here we take this number as the dividend, that is 54756. Now we make pairs of the digits starting from the right and place a bar over every pair, and also place a bar on the remaining 1 digits on the extreme left. So here how many bars are there? 1, 2, 3. So this is called the first period, second period, third period. Now we select the first period and we have to choose a number which is very whose square number is very close to, less than or close to, equals to this number. So here we take in, see 5 is lying between 4 and 9. So 2 square and 5 is lying between 2 square and 3 square. So we take the this divisor. So we take here 2 as the divisor and the quotient both. After then we subtract the product of divisor and quotient from 5. So here we are getting 1 as the remainder. Then we bring down the next pair only, 4, 7. Now we double the quotient, it is coming 4. Then we have to think of the digits which is to be placed in the right side of the new divisor, and 147 is now the new dividend. So here we find out which number is very close to this number. We have to find the digits, the product of that number with this. So here we write suppose 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Then if we find 4 4, 44, this is coming 16. Then 176. So we take this number as the as the product, and the new digit in the right side of the new divisor as 3. So here we take 3. Then in the quotient also we take 3, and we subtract with 129. So after subtracting, what we are getting here? So here we are getting as 8, then 1. Then we bring down the next pair, what is left? So we are getting the remainder as 18. Then we bring down the next pair, what is left? That is 5, 6. And for the next divisor, we add the 3 with this number, we can add, or we can simply double the quotient. So that is coming 46. Double of the quotient is coming 46. Again we have to think of the right digit which is to be placed in the new divisor, right side of the new divisor. See here the unit place is 6. Which square number will give 6? We know 4 square will give 16. So unit place will come 6. And 6 square is 36. Again it will give the unit place as 6. So if we put here 4, 4, 6, 4. Then what result we are getting? 16. then 24 5, then 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. So here we are getting the product as 1856. So we put here 1856. We put the product here, and because it is equals to the new dividend, so we put the product and we subtract from the new dividend, and we take the new divisor as 464, and the question new digit in the question becomes 23, becomes 4. So the question becomes 234. So after subtracting with this number, we are getting the remainder as 0, and no pair of digit is left. So we stop our calculations, and the question so obtained is the square root of the given number. So what is the question here? 234. So we can write here the square root of 54756 is equals to 234. So in this way, we can easily find the square root of the perfect square number by using long division method. I hope all of you understood the method. In next class, we will discuss some more questions related with this method. Thank you all of you.